Hi, my name is Maddie, and I'm going to be walking you through a tutorial of how to care for your water-resistant leather products. Our water-resistant leather was developed to provide a barrier between excess moisture and your boots. If exposed to water, you'll want to blot it clean immediately with a dry, clean cloth. To keep this leather in ideal condition, we recommend not using abrasive cleaners during this process. Vigorous scrubbing and cleaning will make them more susceptible to damage. You can use a non-abrasive cleaner, such as water and a damp cloth, if they're in need of a cleaning. You'll then want to leave your shoe to dry. Once your shoe has dried, you can use a saddle brush to give it an overall polish, which increases the shine. To finish, you'll want to spray your product overall with a water protectant spray. You can also spray any exposed wood or the bottoms if there's any leather. Thank you for watching our water-resistant leather care tutorial. If you have any other questions, you can reach out to our team at concierge@poppybarley.com.